Check this out.
Hi, I love you. Do you want to go on a date?
That's bold, but kind of sweet. Maybe I do.
Hop on then.
Hi, I love you. Do you want to go on a date? You're ridiculous.
From these two videos, we'll notice the first one looks just like an animated image, but the second one is more cinematic and engaging because of the smooth camera cuts, perfect sound effects, and incredible camera cuts. What if I told you that both of these videos were generated using the same prompts? Impossible, right? But it's actually true. Both of them were generated using same prompt, but with a different strategy. You see, the first one was generated using just a normal prompt, but the second one is generated using timeline prompting strategy. This strategy allows you to control the transitions, camera shots, camera movement, lighting, sound effects, and all the things needed for a perfect cinematic video for every single second of your video. But what is this timeline prompting, and how can you achieve it? Timeline prompting is basically telling the AI what to do at every second of your video, instead of just allowing it to decide on its own. Take, for example, if I want to generate a video of a cat walking, instead of saying, generate me a video of a cat walking, I would say, from 00 to 03 seconds, show a white cat raising its front leg up. From 03 to 04 seconds, show the cat placing its right leg down while raising the other up. By doing so, you don't give the AI the opportunity to decide. Rather, it follows exactly what you want to generate, giving you the power to customize each second to your perfect desire. But here's the tricky part. Writing this kind of prompt isn't easy. It's harder than convincing Thanos to go to therapy. That's why we'll let AI do the job. To do so, I've already placed my ready-made prompt in the description. Paste it into a new chat on ChatGPT, and you will instantly get the same reply that says I'm locked in as your cinematic director assistant, ready to turn your raw ideas into fully fleshed out, emotionally charged timeline prompts, tailored for Sora, Veo 3, or Runway Gen-3. Drop your concept or scene idea, and I'll instantly transform it into a professional cinematic timeline following your structure, with visual pacing, camera flow, lighting continuity, and emotional tone baked in. Paste your standard prompt, just like I'm doing here, and instantly get a perfect timeline prompt with smooth camera flow, dynamic lighting, clean action focus, cinematic sound effects, and seamless transitions for a 15-second video. Then copy it, drop it into Sora, and just like that, the video will start processing. Just give it some minutes. Here you can see the other video. I just input my clear standard prompt, but still the video is not as good as I wanted it to be. Alright, the masterpiece is ready. So tell me in the comments, are you trying timeline prompting today, or sticking with your old school prompts?